I'm going to talk at IATEFL, which is the biggest conference for English teachers worldwide. The talk that I'm going to be doing is called Internal CPD, Kickstarting a Culture. And it's going to be about CPD, so continuous professional development, which is a priority for me as an academic manager, as the Director of Studies here at Speak Up London. A really healthy, productive culture will be both compassionate and challenging. And so development, to me, CPD, is where that mixture of compassion and challenge meet. You know, if we focus on your professional development, then that is sort of us showing that we care about you, being compassionate. But also, if we're encouraging you to focus on your development, we are challenging you to develop. I'm expecting it to be a talk that will appeal to other academic managers, people in management. Maybe there'll be some teachers there as well. I hope that it encourages people to think about what they're offering internally in terms of CPD, and to, you know, maybe if it isn't a current priority for them, to maybe encourage people to think of it as more of a priority. And I'm sure that in the sort of discussion, the post-talk discussion, I'll have the opportunity to reflect on my own approach to it and things that we could do better here.